Music.
Yeah, man, it's a street festa. Mr. Bunny. I'm someone in the party. Guys, go night. Left young way, go night. Sando ito just go night. Johnny, Come here, my youth. You're Mr. DJ. Read them up. Come here, my youth. Come here, my youth.
Hold on. It's game to get a Bindura and don't want to eat myself. Don't want to dare to do good by myself.
So we go, everybody, let's go.
It's in the bus, but I'm
Yeah, man. I'm talking about the most energetic MC. He is my brethren. I simply call him our Zimbabwe energy god. Of course, I'm talking about who? Guess who? Guess who? Guess who? Oh my Lord. Guess what? Are you running from Zimbabwe?
It's father. I know how many touchdowns this means Master H is now ready. When we touch down, it means Killer T is now ready. When we touch down, it means the dot. According to him, he could have said Maso.
Kelvin! When I say killer, you say T. Killer! When I say killer, you say T. It's a voice on the voiceless Everton Fabulous Commander A. Benny. Back to back with one selector Gary P in the building. Zane, and we are coming to warm up this station before the big man are coming, Zane. So right about now, I want to see all of the people who believe in a mighty Father God to put them on there.
I've got to go. I'm going to change. I'm going to do one. One, then I go. One, then I go. Let's say one, then I go. Before I go, I want to thank you again, Bindura. It's been 6 years. Like I said, it's good to be back. I enjoyed myself. Hope you did. So from the Gafa and the Vigi. Until we meet again next time, Bindura. Enough love, enough respect. The love is endless. So can you do me one favor, Bindura? One favor, Bindura. Let's do this together. Put it up, Vigi. Alright. Manaka Punza Chiwone.